Fayette County in southeastern West Virginia until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:38 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated showers and thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fayetteville, Babcock State Park, Oak Hill, Mount Hope, and Vermont. Now,
I don't know why I'm getting. I think my aunt's using that cheaper USB fan. I'm not going for more WVRC media relays, just because it's lazy. Because it's like 3 in the morning.
this is a flash flood warning for the following counties: Fayette, West Virginia. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flash flood warning for southern.
That will experience flash flooding in two.
Oh, that's not good to WKVW.
Indicated showers and thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fayetteville, Babcock State Park, Oak Hill, Mount Hope, and Vermont.